welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a little Musa Basjoo update today, and it's been exactly a year that these babies have been in the ground 2 days ago. So I thought I would do a little video on how much growth you can expect in the UK in the first year. I bought these last year and they were in the ground from the 7th of May, and I'm sorry about my croaky throat, but this hay fever is absolutely doing my throat in, so you'll have to excuse my horrible croaky voice today. So when I first got these, I think I had them for a couple of weeks before I actually put them in the ground, and they were probably half the size of this rock. I don't know if you can actually pick up on camera the size of this rock. It's not very big. Let me see if I can zoom out. So when I first put them in, obviously this one and this one, I'd say they probably, let me get the Mumbreesha out of the way. They probably were, this isn't the easiest task when you've only got one hand. They were probably up to about here, with tiny little leaves. When I first put them in, they definitely weren't as tall as this pup here. They had wider leaves than these, but they were probably about half the size. And obviously we didn't have the hottest summer last year, and you can see that they grew to about here by November time. They sort of stopped growing altogether when we had the fast frost, but they've sprung back into action, and they are now, I mean, you're at head height now, and I'm 5 foot, I'm 5'10", 5'11" on the mark, and these are easily pushing, I mean, some of those leaves up there are easily sort of, I don't know, 10 feet. Well, the tips are, the trunk's obviously not that tall. And these ones, I wanted to give a little size comparison. So I got these at the same time as these, but I had these in little pots over there. And I probably put these into the ground, I'm gonna say around mid-July. So you can, I don't know if you can actually pick up on camera the height difference. So that's where they were. So there's a good sort of, I don't know, 6, maybe 7, 8 inches difference in height, but they do definitely take off when you put them in the ground. So I'm hoping that this year they're going to get absolutely colossal. And these were my favourite plants last year. They still are one of my favourites, but the wind this year that we are getting in the UK are making them one of my least favourite plants at the moment, because they just look so tatty. And we keep getting unseasonably strong winds, as you can hear. But this one is a bit more sheltered, so you can obviously see that this leaf that's pushed out isn't damaged. That one's not damaged, it's just got a little bit of wind burn. That leaf there was intact until yesterday. This leaf is still intact, so I'm hoping that now we are in June and we're coming into summer, that the winds will calm down and these will start to look magnificent again. Obviously when I get a new couple of leaves that are undamaged, I will cut off the older ones that look tatty. But yeah, I just thought I would do a little video a year on, and sorry, I just had a massive coughing fit. So I thought I would just give a little video for anyone that is planting Musa Basjoo for the first time this year, what you can probably expect. I mean, I'd say they probably got a little bit bigger than this. Obviously they had a lot more leaves on them by the end of the summer. My garden's only in the sun from, I think, April to sort of the first week of September, maybe the second week of September, and then because of how tall my building is, with my garden's in complete shade for the rest of the time. But yeah, that is my little 1 year update on the Musa Basjoos. Hopefully, fingers crossed, pray that these start looking a little bit better in the next couple of weeks. Thank you for watching, guys. Oh, and before I forget, I nearly did forget, So I always fed my Musa Basjoos once a week with either a very strong liquid seaweed fertilizer, or with I've got a 10-litre watering can, and I put 2 heaped scoops of Miracle Grow in, and they had a watering can between the two once a week. So they are quite heavy feeders. Obviously, if you don't feed them and don't fertilise them, you probably won't get as big of a plant by the end of the season. But yeah, that is my video for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.